We're here in the beautiful Paris on the Paris Blockchain Week Summit, and we're here with the COO of MyEtherWallet. How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you very much.
Yeah. And MyEtherWallet has gone through a proper makeover, I must say. How do you look back on it?
I think that we're really proud of it. Over the last year, we've really taken a deep dive into what new users coming into the space need to get onboarded. For years, MyEtherWallet was many Ethereum users' first stop in creating a wallet, and we continue to be that to this day. But new users have new needs, and developers have new products, and so we're trying to bring those together. And with our we have a much prettier interface now, and we've added new hardware wallets and different ways of interacting with the blockchain, and we're really excited about it.
Right. And actually, many hardware wallets are supported, from Ledger, Trezor, etc.
Yes, we support Ledger, Trezor, MetaMask. We have our own app, MEW Connect, which gives hardware functionality. Hardware wallet functionality to your cell phone, and then you can also we've also added Finny. Their native wallet interacts with MyEtherWallet, and we use and KeepKeep.
Oh, okay. Yeah, nice. So, what are the challenges? I mean, of course, you support the ERC20 tokens. Is there any way you can support also other chains, or will it be focused on the Ethereum network?
For the immediate future, we're still focused on the Ethereum ecosystem and looking to bolster that. We're going to be bringing in dApps into the page so that people can interact within the page while other dApps that are working on Ethereum. You should know that we have third-party swap functionality on the site, and so people who are looking to trade for ETH to Bitcoin, for example, or ETH to Litecoin, you can do that. You just have to bring in your own wallet, but we support those kinds of trades.
Okay, you know. Cool. And what are the challenges to actually build MyEtherWallet? Can I call you a startup or scale up? What's the size?
I think that I think we're still in startup phase. We're about a team of about 16, and so we're still struggling with. Kind of pinpointing what it is new users need and what legacy users need. We don't collect data. We never have. We're very, very committed to user privacy, but that does present challenges for us in determining what the pain points are and what friction points there are for new users. And we're doing our best to get voluntary user feedback to smooth out those edges and bring in the functionality that users want.
Right. So privacy is like a conscious decision to never take personal data, or.
Yeah, we don't track users on our site. We don't actually even know how many wallets have been created or wallets have been accessed by through MyEtherWallet. We only take aggregate data. We know roughly how many unique users we get every month and how many requests that they've made. But individual users can still interact with MyEtherWallet with anonymity.
Okay, cool. How many users does MyEtherWallet have now?
It's very, very difficult to sort of pinpoint, but we get anywhere between 600,000 and 1 million unique IPs visiting a month. So 600,000 is kind of during the bear market, and then when things are sort of heating up a little bit, that's when you start hitting 1 million and above, and usually about within either market, it's about 100 million unique requests. Okay. Yeah. So.
Can you? Yeah. How do you have a market vision? Like, how do you say? Do you also see some support for STOs erupting, or will it be focused on the crypto assets purely, or?
We're trying our best to support all of the assets for which we see a demand and a real use case for. STOs have become a lot more popular, and there's a lot of movement within like the blockchain space for is this a proper use case for crypto technology, and I think that what we try to do is we try to facilitate that so that businesses and investors can kind of experiment with these things. So we have taken steps to help support security token issuance.
Okay.
Though we're not intimately involved in that process ourselves. So.
Okay. And perhaps a business solution, like now it's more business to consumer. Perhaps some wallet providers like Ledger, they have this business solution. Do you consider that, or is it out of the question?
So we currently are exploring that. So currently, I think the estimated amount of enterprise investment, like an institutional investment into Ethereum is only about 20%. Everything else is retail investors. But obviously, if you want mass adoption, you're going to want to offer those solutions to bring more people into the space. And so we are looking at offering new tools and new services that might be able to help institutional investors. One of the things we've just launched, just went into alpha, is our block explorer, ETHVM. It's in alpha right now. It's on testnet, but it's an open source block explorer, and it has flexible capabilities, so it can be forked for private chains and used for institutional use. So we're thinking in terms of that, like what kinds of tools people are going to need in order to make blockchain viable for their businesses.
Like data tools and more qualitative data.
Exactly, and analytics and things of that nature. Mm-hmm.
Sounds good. So, do you have any favorite coins yourself, or?
I have a strict policy of not endorsing coins, but I mean, naturally, I'm a fan of ETH.
Okay. Yep. Thank you very much, Brian, for your time. And people go to MyEtherWallet.com. Is it that?
Yep. Yes, please do.
And yeah, all the best with MyEtherWallet, and hopefully it can grow.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.